Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the workspace. Gloves, goggles, and a mask. Open windows or use an extractor fan. Next, you remove loose rust and oils with a wire brush and degreaser, then sand to a keyed surface so paint bonds. Once done, stir Hammerite for 2-3 minutes. Do not shake and strain into a clean container. Make sure to check consistency. Thin slightly only if manufacturer permits, because proper viscosity ensures even coverage and adhesion. You choose application method: brush for small spots, roller for flat areas, or spray for a factory finish. Start with a thin first coat to avoid runs, work with a wet edge and smooth brush strokes. Once the first coat is touch dry, typically 15 to 30 minutes depending on temps, apply a second coat for full protection. Make sure to follow label temperature and humidity limits because drying conditions control film formation and long-term durability. You finish by letting the paint fully cure as specified on the tin before handling. This achieves maximum hardness and chemical resistance. Clean brushes and rollers immediately with the recommended solvent to preserve tools. If you see runs, sagging, or adhesion failure, stop, sand the affected area back to a keyed surface, remove contaminants, and reapply thin coats. One tip: if humidity caused blushing, allow extra dry time and lightly abrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.